Hello friends, welcome again to Projection of Lines, Session 6. We'll continue with the main problems, what are likely to be given in the main exams. See here, ND of the line AB is 15 mm above HP, 10 mm in front of VP. I've told you, this irrespective of this, projections don't change, this will not be a parameter. Okay, but whatever they are given, you write it. In case they miss it, you assume it. Okay, 15 mm above HP, 10 mm in front of VP is not a parameter. Okay, even if they don't give, don't worry about that. Okay, now the line is inclined at 30 degrees to HP. Oh, this is a parameter. The line is inclined at 30 degrees to HP and end B is 55 mm above HP. That means it is a locus in the front tube. That means the second parameter has been given. The distance between the end projectors measured parallel to the XY line is 50 mm. Then this I was telling you in the earlier session. This is called DBP. Distance between end projectors measured parallel to the XY line is 50 mm. Okay, draw projections and all that. That means here the three parameter is, one is line inclined at 30 degrees to HP. That is theta has been given and the locus has been given. End B 55 mm above HP locus has been given and the distance between end projectors measured parallel to the XY line is given. That is 50 mm. As I have told you, in any problem, you have to search for these three parameters. I have told you list of parameters in the earlier session. So many will be there. Out of the list, any three parameters they'll give. Using the three parameters, knowing the fundamental concepts, you must be in a position to complete this problem. Okay. Now, first we'll start with this. End A 15 mm above HP, 10 mm in front of AP, XY line you draw, A dash and A you draw. Okay. Now, that they are given DV, that is locus in the front tube. That is the distance of end B above HP, they are given 55 mm. Draw 55 mm, draw the locus line. One parameter I have utilized already. Then the line is inclined at 30 degrees to HP, true length. This is a line. Line inclined, not front to line. Front to length. This is line inclined at 30 degrees means true length of the line. Line inclined at 30 degrees to HP you draw. Wherever it meets the locus, you measure this, you get true length as 80. Okay. True length as 80. If this true length you obtain. This is one of the things to be found out. Now, I have told you as soon as you get the true length, corresponding other view, make it parallel to XY line, which you should be in a position to rotate till it cuts the end projector or locus, which I keep repeating here afterwards. And normally locus will be there till you rotate till you cut the locus, sometimes end projector. Okay. Now, see here, A dash A you located. You drawn a locus at 55 mm. One parameter I have finished. Draw a line at 30 degree. You don't know the true length. In fact, you are finding the true length. Wherever it cuts, measure the true length 80 mm. Okay. But right now you utilized 30 degree 1 per theta. This parameter you utilized. This parameter, that is locus in the front tube, end B above HP they are given. This second parameter also you utilized. One more parameter is there. One more parameter is this. This is called distance between end projectors measured parallel to the XY line, 50 mm. That means on this line you should get both front view point of B and top view point of B. Okay. This is the distance between end projectors measured parallel to the XY line. Now, since this is given, this point has to be B dash. Okay. This has to be B dash, the front view of the line. Okay. In that way, this has to be the front view of the line. Okay. Then what you do, once you have the front view, you see here, this is the true length, corresponding top view parallel to XY line, which you can rotate till it cuts the end projector or locus. Sometimes you are cutting the locus, sometimes it cuts the end projector. Wherever it cuts, that is the position of B in the top view. This is the position of the top view. Okay. Now you see here. Now, this actually I made use of all the three parameters. This is one parameter, theta is one parameter, dBp is another parameter, distance between end projectors. This is theta given 30 degree, you have to write it. This is anyway alpha. This is the top view of the line, beta, but true length is not there. But true length, what you can do is, true length you already know, 80. True length cannot change. With A as center, 80 mm as the radius, you cut it here, you join this because the true length cannot change for a problem. It's the line is same. That's why A as center, 80 mm radius, you can cut it here and get the true length here and measure that angle. That is phi. This is theta has been given. Phi you measure, beta also you can measure in that way. And otherwise, what I have done you see here. This right now, this is 30 degree. Beta has been found out. DBP is already there given. This 30 degree theta, it is one of the parameters given. This is the locus, which is one of the parameters given. Now everything is over. This is alpha. You measure it. This beta has already been measured. But only thing is theta is not there. That phi is not there. For that, what you do no? Okay. See here. What I have done is I have rotated the front tube parallel to XY line and hit against the locus. Okay. Now, if you hit against the locus and if you join this, this true length will be equal to 80 mm only. Okay. Here afterwards, be careful. Here afterwards, I'll make this as a rule. See carefully. Here afterwards, I'll make this as a rule. Now you see this problem, how you started was, okay, A dash A you located, okay, A dash A you located, and you've drawn the locus at 55 mm, correct? No? Drawn the locus at 55 mm. You've drawn a line at 30 degree. Wherever it has cut the line, okay, wherever it has cut the locus, that becomes the true length. True length, you measure it, it will be 80. Okay, immediately the corresponding top view will be parallel to XY line. Make it ready. Okay, make it ready. Which you have to rotate. Anyway, now the distance between end projectors, they are given 50 mm. If you draw the end projectors here, distance between end projectors, directly wherever it hits, it is B dash, because distance between end projectors means end projectors of a line. This is end projectors of A. This is end projector of B. Correct? No? Distance between end projectors means the projectors from A and A dash, projectors from B and B dash measured parallel to the XY line. When I have given distance between end projectors measured parallel to the XY line, okay, 50 mm, you get B dash here. Then you come down. Then what I have done is, with A as center, AB1 as radius, I have drawn an arc till it meets the end projector. Okay, wherever you do that, wherever you get, there you draw the locus. Okay, there you draw the locus. And what I have done here is, I have rotated the front tube parallel to XY line, hit the locus. Now this length will be actually equal to 80 only. Okay, here afterwards, you remember this. That is, after getting this top, you get same true length, you take, cut it here. You could have finished the problem. But here afterwards, this knowledge will also help you a lot in doing the problem. Here afterwards, whenever you have front view and top view, okay, whenever you have front view and top view, okay, rotation of front view parallel to XY line and directly hit against the locus, you will get the true length and true inclination. Can you follow? In the same way, even in case you have the top view, let us say, if in case the top view is there, make top view parallel to XY line, hit against the locus, you will get the true length and true inclination. In some of the problems, unless you know this, you can't manage the problems. That is why I have given clearly, please remember, rotation of front view or top view parallel to XY line and hitting against the locus helps us to determine true length and true inclination. This you never forget. Okay. This says, see here, front view parallel to XY line, hit against the locus, true length. Top view parallel to XY line and hit against the locus, you get the true length. In that way, you remember this, you are able to do problems faster. Okay. Now, let us say there is a problem like this. ND of the line AB is 20 mm above HP and 15 mm in front of AP. Anyway, whatever they give, you do it, because this anyway not a parameter. It can be anything. But since they are given 20 mm above HP, 15 mm in front of AP, take the same distance. The end B is 50 mm above HP. Please follow. End B is 50 mm above HP means it is the locus in the front tube, one of the parameters. And 60 mm in front of VP. That means locus in the top view. End B is 50 mm above HP, 60 mm in front of VP means locus in the front view they are given, locus in the top view they are given. Two parameters are already over. The line measures 70 mm. Third parameter is also given. The line measures 70 mm means you should take true length of the line. Line measures 70 mm means it's always the true length. Draw projections of the line and determine apparent inclinations and all that. True inclinations, apparent inclinations, whatever it is, you can find out. Now you see here. One end A dash A 20 mm, 15 mm, take it. Okay. Then you carefully see. I have done, can you understand what I've done? What I've done is 50 mm. The other end is 50 mm above HP, 60 mm in front of VP they are given. Draw the locus line in the front view, draw the locus line in the top view. Okay. Now once you do this, you have two parameters already over. Then the line measures 70 mm. Okay. Line measures 70 mm. You see here, line measures 70 mm means it is a true length. A dash B1 dash is the true length. Okay. Then I have told you, once you have the true length, I keep repeating here, never you forget, this is very important thing. Once true length is obtained, immediately draw its corresponding top view parallel to XY line, which you can rotate till it cuts the end projector or locus. Now since locus is there, you directly go on drawing an arc till it cuts the locus. See here, the A as center, AB1 as radius, go on drawing an arc till it cuts the locus, that is AB. Top view of the line is obtained. Once top view is obtained, take a projector from here, get the front view also. A dash, B dash also you get it. In this way, you already got alpha, you already got theta, you already got beta. Only one thing what I have not got is the true length. True length is 70 anyway, it is same. With A as center, 70 mm as radius, you cut it here, you will get phi also. Otherwise also, I have told you one more logic to get the true length. Rotation of front view or top view parallel to XY line and hitting against the locus will help us to get true length and true inclinations. Now since top view is here, top view I have already rotated, I got the true length, true inclinations and all that, which are already done by no procedure. But now to get the true length here, one procedure is take same 70, cut it here. Otherwise, rotate front view parallel to XY line and hit against the locus, you get this true length. Okay, rotation of front view parallel to XY line, hit against the locus and join this, you are getting the true length. This true length will be same as this true length only. In that way, true length and true inclinations, everything you got. True length and true inclination. Then you see here, alpha, beta, theta and phi. All you have got. Okay. And in the exam also, you just alpha, beta, theta, phi, all you list it. All you list it. Okay. How much is alpha, how much is beta, how much is theta, how much is phi, all you list it. Okay. And what you have to show for the examiner is whatever they are given. One parameter is 50 mm above HP. Locus in the front view they are given. Show this 50. Locus in the top view they are given. Show this 60. And true length they are given. Show this 70. Don't show any other thing. All you have found out. Okay. All you have found out. These are all the problem. Alpha, beta, theta, phi. You make a list. In that way, you are able to complete a very good problem what they are given in the exam. Okay. What they have been giving, what they are given in the exam so many number of times. Did you follow here? You start from A dash A, get the locus here, cut 70, immediately get the corresponding top view and rotate it, get the top view and project it, get the front view. In that way, you have completed. And another to get the true length and true inclination in the top view, rotate the front view parallel to XY line and hit it against the locus. You get the true length and true inclination also, which is equal to 70 mm only. Okay, in that way, we are able to complete session 6 on projection of lines. We'll continue in session 7. Thank you, friends, for watching. Thank you.